Replacing your lawnmower's spark plug is a super easy process. Just take you a few minutes. Here's how to do it. They're typically located up at the front here. There's usually a rubber or plastic boot at the top, and there's a thick cable that runs off of that. And you'll need to remove that boot to access the spark plug. So I'm going to take the boot off. It comes off pretty easily, and then I just need to get it out of the way so that I can access the spark plug with a socket. Now we'll slip the socket on the plug. And get it started. After it's loose, then you can finish turning it out by hand. So there's our old plug. This one's got a lot of black deposits on it, and so it definitely needs to be replaced. Some people will clean the spark plugs instead of replacing, and sure, yeah, you can do that if you're in a pinch. You don't have a store close by to get a new one, but generally you should just replace it. So here we've got our new plug, and you can see the numbers on the plugs match, so we got the right plug. And we used to have to do more with checking the gap on the spark plug to make sure that was correct, but most of these plugs are going to come pre-gapped, so it's really not necessary to do this anymore for the most part. So there's our new plug, and we'll thread that into the cylinder. And we'll get it to the point where it's just finger tight, and then put the socket on it and tighten it about another quarter of a turn just to flatten out the washer that's on there. And we'll stick the boot back on, and that's it.